It's a card that sings.
A musical card.
Wow!
What is this?
Press it. Just press it.
Wow!
Is this supposed to come off?
We'll take it off later.
Take it off later. It's a card.
Oh.
It's a magnet. You can
I
stick it
know,
on
it says
stuff.
I'm a magnet.
You are a magnet.
Whoa.
Well, this will work good.
Yeah.
Nails will dry faster.
Wow!
Oh.
Same thing that I have at Daddy's.
What is that? You can make me some. Oh.
If my friend
Molly,
Kendall
what is it?
teaches me how.
Make bracelets.
It's her rainbow
If my
loom.
friend Kendall teaches me how. Because I can't remember.
Well, you can learn.
Wow!
A sketchbook.
Wow!
Oh.
What did you
Yeah.
We only got paper for a present.
Wow!
Sketching pencils.
Oh, very nice.
Who's this from?
And Nintendo dogs plus cats.
Nice.
And a card.
Now the hair.
She has a lot of hair lately.
It's because Mommy's shedding really bad.
Oh,
Shedding. Shedding.
did I get it?
Happy 11th birthday. No doubt about it. You're truly awesome. Happy birthday. Hope your birthday is too. I was blinded from the flash.
Ah. This one's from
Oh.
Baby Paw.
I did not see those.
You did not? You didn't?
No. Well, I did, but I forgot about them. So.
What is that? Oh!
What?
Hot Hughes. That commercial that we saw
That's
over and over
awesome.
and over.
Oh, that one's pretty.
What is it, Molly?
that one.
Wow!
It's not your birthday. Back up.
She said,
Wow! Molly, what is it?
It's a nook cover, a nice one.
Get you guys!
Won't be stinky. I got her just a really cheap one. We opened it up and it's smelly, like paint or something. I don't even know.
Really?
Probably the dye they use on it.
Yeah.
So is that it?
None of your beeswax, mister. No. It is.
It's a little hair tie and shawl. It was an extra.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Oh, it has snowies on it.
Yeah, it's a special edition one that they don't normally sell. It's not in the book.
Oh,
So,
that's cute.
yep, it is cute. Here,
Okay.
here.
It's a heart. Get a video of the heart.
Get a video of the heart.
or something.
I'll make it.
See the heart?
No, you can't.
let's see.
Here, I gotta take a picture. Smile. I can't put video and picture at the same time. This isn't working well. Okay. Here, can you hold that? Alright. Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Bong, that's what it is.
Happy birthday, dear Molly. Happy birthday to you.
And many.
She's gonna get her wish.
That's
Cool.
right.
If I don't tell anybody.
That's right.
Yeah.
What'd you
I
look for?
won't tell anybody.
Oh.